quack, quack. Let's write Q.
Let's write Q. Big Q starts here, and we're going to go up. Up to the top and around and down to the bottom and back to make our circle. Now go in here and let's draw one leg. There's big Q. Now small q. Small q starts here and we'll go around. Up to the middle, around to the bottom, back up, touch the middle, back down, touch the bottom, fall down, and give it a tail. Small q. One more time. Big Q. Top touch, around to the bottom, bottom touch, and one leg. Small q, middle touch, bottom touch, middle touch, bottom touch, and a tail. Big Q, small q, qua, qua, qua.